Welcome back to another vlog, guys. I'm with Margaret now. We're gonna go to SM Manila to buy some groceries kasi we're gonna film another video today for the cooking segment. And yan, wala akong makeup for today. Hindi napansin mo yung brows ko, kumapal yung yung tint dahil sa browgraphy. And I left the video uploading, yung vlog kahapon, kasi I wasn't able to vlog or edit last night. Kaya itong umaga ako nag-edit. Kagabi, nanood kami ni Mark na movie, pero sobrang inantok na kami, kaya natulog lang kami. So, ang bag ko today is this one, the spacious bag. And then of course, since mag-grocery kami, dala ko yung malaking eco bag. And I have so much videos to edit, sobrang dami. Hindi lang siya vlogs ha. Actually, yung vlogs ko up to date, pero yung mga beauty videos ko, I have to kailangan kong gawin ng mas regular. Also, I spotted a new makeup brand sa SM department store. So I'm gonna check that out. It's called Ingrid. And perhaps I can buy a few stuff and then do a video for you guys. Wala lang. Naspatan ko lang siya dun. Nakita ko lang parang, wow, bagay na. Here at Bonchon, so we're gonna have lunch or brunch over here. It's actually 3 PM na. Hindi pa kami kumakain. Order ako ng favorite kong dip from them. It's the maple chipotle dip. Super sarap. We have, ano to be? Anong soup to?
Soup, sukiyaki?
Soup, hindi. Bulgogi soup. And then Mark ordered the squid. Gutom na gutom na si Mark. Kain ka na din. Ordered the chapche. And then meron kaming dessert. Anong tawag ito, B?
Ewan.
Parang peach mango pie na may, alam mo. We're now here sa supermarket. Tinignan namin yung new makeup. Pero mahal. May kamahalan siya. Foundation is $4.99. So, siguro next time na lang yun. Anyway, we're gonna cook, sinigang ba? We're gonna cook sinigang later, which is really perfect for the sunny days, rainy days. So, I'm using the Huawei phone para hindi halata nag-vlog ako. So, okay. Is that Pokemon Go? Nope.
Ha?
Hindi yung Pokemon Go, no? Ay, saan tayo pupunta? Wait, na-miss natin yung mga stop. We're here sa chicken. Ito yung hinahanap ko lagi. Buti meron na siya. Okay, bumili kami ng pot for the sinigang later on. ASD yung brand niya. 7.7.
Meron din po.
Hanggang kaya yung 20% discount.
Ito pala sobrang laki nito. Tinan mo to. Ang dami lang yan, no?
Ganun. Ano bang size
For
ito?
isang kilo, kasya na ito
Ito? How much na lang to?
Ito, $7.99.
Minus 20. Okay, ayan. Dagala kami ng eco bag namin. Parang Japan na, pack your own stuff. Sa Daiso ng Japan. Daiso ba yung Japan? Ang lino ng kakao, no? Pack your own stuff. At dahil mataas ang surge ng Uber, we're riding our suki na tricycle driver. So, yan ang tricycle mga phone. So, pumunta na tayo sa palengke ng Quiapo since we weren't able to buy a lot of stuff here for the sinigang kasi medyo mahal tsaka madadami. Kailangan lang namin isang piraso ng kamatis. So, gano'n lang naman. So, si Mark, bumibili pa ng sheep na gusto niya. Done with the palengke. Remember this place, guys? Ito ang vlog natin ng college pa. Doon na eco bag namin lahat. Behind. Kasi B, anong ginawa mo? Anong ginawa mo? Come on, come on. Ay, ingat. Kukuha pa kami ng Uber. Where's your mommy? Where's your mommy? Kumain ka na ba? Little pussycat. Mark was craving, kaya bumili kami ng fishball. Tusok-tusok. Hi, B.
Favorite merienda ko itong mga ganito.
Meron kaming chicken ball, tapos ano pa in-order mo? Quick. Higik yan. We're gonna start filming now, guys. Ayan na yung setup namin. We cleaned up a little bit, tapos binili ko dun yung people who love to eat chuva. We're gonna start. Sinigang. Hi, B.
Hi.
Almost done cooking the sinigang. Masarap ang bango-bango. Ooh! We are doing our very last cooking video for today, guys. So, dalawa yung ginawa namin ni Mark. And the next one is going to be a dessert. Talaga, Bi. Super fun. Medyo magulo lang yung sink namin kasi nga. Pero yan na yung niluto namin next na ano. See? Di ba pinapakita?
Hindi.
So much fun! Thanks, Bibi. Tinuruan lang ako ni Mark paano magsinigang. So, we have a couple more ideas kung ano yung mga next namin lulutuin.
Yep.
And meron din kaming plan na pag-uwi si tatay, lolo ni Mark. Kasi may, Balenciaga girl.
Yeah.
Guys, I was reheating the s'mores. Nasunog siya. Kasi pag ganun ko kinuha, tapos bigla may usok gumanon. Oh man, sayang 88 pesos. Try mo ngayon may flash. Ito yung may flash. Wawa naman. Bakit mo may flash? Minnie Mouse to be. Paano na?
Parang naging minimos, di naman.
Tignan mo. Sira,